What's going on, ladies and gents? Joe G at EliteHealthAndPhysique.com, and in this video I have a quick 8-minute full body HIIT workout that you can do from anywhere. So it's August, beginning of the second new year. A lot of people want to take control of their health and build their physique. I get a lot of questions, comments, DMs, emails, and the number one problem that people have is they don't have enough time, or at least they don't think they have enough time to take control of their health and build their physique. So I'm gonna take care of that for you. I'm gonna put together this quick, simple 8-minute HIIT workout that you can do from anywhere, full body, so giving you no excuses. All right, so if you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna get right into this right now. So this routine is gonna be very quick. We're gonna do 4 exercises. We're gonna do them back to back to back without any rest. Then we're gonna take our rest. We're gonna repeat that one more round, and you'll be done for the day. All right, without further ado, we're gonna get right into this right now. yourself a round of applause. Ladies and gents, if you just completed that 8-minute HIIT workout, I'm gassed so I can't speak. Give yourself a round of applause, you deserve it. If you're starting your day with this, you're gonna feel great throughout the day. And if you're just seeing this later in the day, make sure you save this, share this, do this tonight. Get an accountability buddy to do it with you. Hold yourselves accountable, makes the journey that much better. If you're looking for a proven process to get you from where you are to where you want to be, I created a simple Lead Health and Physique quiz that's designed to take you through a series of questions. Quick 15, 20-second quiz to find out exactly where you are and then give you the best proven process program that we have, and then we deliver and help you, guide you through that process so you can get results just like plenty of other these clients have done with us using our elite proven process. That's it for today. Hope you guys have a good one. Don't forget, the juice is worth the squeeze. Take control of your health, build your physique, and I'll see you guys in the next one.